Criminals can monetize your network without you knowing it. Security teams, executives, and boards of directors are facing increasing costs and risks associated with advanced threats or ransomware that can permeate the network. Some examples include declines in corporate revenue, unexpected costs such as legal or regulatory fees, as well as a general decline in overall organizational productivity. Trend Micro can help you reduce this risk by providing visibility into advanced threats or ransomware that permeate your network. Bottom line, you cannot prevent what you do not detect. Avoid being blindsided by working with Trend Micro to create visibility into your network and spear phishing attacks. Take a first step and go to targetattacks.trendmicro.com to try our advanced threat simulation.